Oh my god, he's f***ing going.
Wow. Oh, he's like, you know what? F you.
I am excited for pizza though. I can't even lie. Fuck Blue Apron.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Are you excited for pizza?
All right, so I'll start.
And good. So it's going. Oh man.
It was unreal with umami.
He still has the runs.
Yeah.
This had to be ChatGPT.
Yeah, this is hard. In the blend of spices, this is hard to read. I don't know why it's so hard. I even brought mine as meal prep to work the next day. I add that line in.
Oh, dude, it's the umami. That part gets me.
Umami spices.
All right, you're back, Jackson.
Stop, son.
Jonah, we're gonna get you pregnant in those shorts. What was that walk you just did, Jonah?
Oh, is that the stuff that everybody's obsessed with? The bush apple?
Oh, is it bush? It is bush apple. So apple. It's kind of
Give us
overrated
your
for
craziest walk. Craziest walk. Oh my.
God damn.
Yeah, he's not running after that today. I don't like men. I'm straight now.
4.
I'm the CEO. You don't talk to me like that, all right?
Okay, sorry, CEO.
Thank you.
Interns these days.
I mean, you think just the opportunity alone is good enough for you, but now they want pay?
All right, guys, you're not hearing me pee right now.
So while Matt pees his pants, best like cohesive? Cohesive.
Most cohesive. Yeah.
Coercive.
Yeah.
Cursive. I don't know how to write in cursive.
Every time
He ran my foot and slowed down.
I was turning down to talk to the camera. Anyways,
Jonah, you're not good at this.
no, I'm not. I'm supposed to be behind the camera, not in front of it.
We're back to this season.
And go.
Timu, y'all better watch out because Amazon's coming for your ass. Johnny, you know you like it, Johnny. You know you like it.
It was good. It was good.
Until the end.
Did you not like the ass? All right. Timu, you better watch yourself because Amazon's coming for your ass. I can't say ass.
You can just say ass, so just commit to ass.
All right. I thought that was kind of funny because it's like, like kids.
You can do ass.
It's like broccoli, you know?
Coming for your ass.
Coming for your rear end.
Ooh, okay.
Your badonkadonk.
Timu, you better watch out because Amazon is coming for your rear end.
Yeah.
You didn't see that coming, did you?
I didn't see that coming. We bought 20 things here, which we did focus mainly on tech, right? Or is there a mixture of stuff?
It's 15 things.
Did I say 20 before?
We got a total score of 3,636, and the GPU is 3,254 of that, while the CPU got a whopping 10,000. Did I say something wrong?
No, you're good.
Oh.
You're good.
You started taking it.
I was just-
that's
I
the
was
wrong
just-
thing.
Bad or good?
Good. It's a pretty good CPU score.
I haven't said it yet. Sorry, I got distracted. All right. And the CPU got a whopping 10,900 and 10,900.
Sorry. I
10,921.
think whopping sounds like it's like you're like putting it down.
You've never heard whopping? Whopping's like good.
Yeah.
It's not whooping. Whopping.
A whopping.
Like a whopper. It's
Like a
big.
Whopper.
Whopping's big. Here, so, you know what, McAllister, Zach, explain to this little tyke.